Excuse me. Where can I get a burger where they use donuts as like the bun? A donut burger.
Donut burger? I don't know.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
I don't know what is donut burger, but I think in sugar.
It's just like a beef patty with like 2 donuts.
2 donuts. Yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't live in Miami.
Yes.
Oh, you do?
Yes, but because we never eat donut and
Donut burger.
Never had that donut burger.
No.
Hey, if we were on Tinder right now, would you swipe me right or left, do you think?
I don't know. I don't know because I think this is Ocean Drive is not good for. It's not good for a place for food. You know.
Oh, I see.
Más.
Yeah. Okay. No,
Por
I'm.
Washington.
Listen, honestly, I'm just kind of looking for a girlfriend, and so I just kind of have these questions that I ask to try to start conversation.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I just think you're both attractive, and so I'm just like, hey, would one of these girls date me, maybe?
Oh my God.
Yeah, you don't have a boyfriend. Yeah, I can tell. I feel like she's kind of checking me out a lot right now. You should.
No, donuts.
I'm gonna move here soon. What's your name?
Ivana.
I'm Aaron.
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 Hi, Aaron.
Aaron. En español es
Aaron.
Aaron.
Okay,
Sí.
Aaron.
Hebreo.
I've spent a lot of time in Colombia.
Ajá.
Sí, mis amigos y yo íbamos a Colombia.
Ajá.
Sí, y en Colombia es Aaron,
Aaron.
which I like more.
Uh-huh.
I like that a lot more than
Aaron.
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 It's like
Aaron.
difficult to
Aaron.
even say
Aaron.
it, you know?
Aaron.
Yeah.
Aaron.
Listen, I gotta find that donut burger. Pop your number in here, and I'll text you, and we'll go grab a drink sometime.
Oh my God. Okay.
¿Por qué?
Donut burger.
¿Por qué no? ¿Y tú? ¿Tu nombre?
Milagros.
Aaron.
Veracruz.
Very nice to meet you.
So tell me,
Nice to meet you.
Aaron, I have your. Where are you from?
I'm from
Ohio?
Columbus, Ohio. Yes. I want to live here soon and potentially end up in a long-term relationship with you.
Oh my God.
So we'll see.
Miami.
You are my new boyfriend.
Yes, I think so too. Nuevo novio.
Nuevo novio.
Sí, sí. Buenos días. Ciao.
Chao, nuevo novio.
Ciao. Have a good day. I'll text you. See ya.